This is 2198 Western Ave in Newburgh. It is a neat lot because it sits off the road. Western Ave is neat because it's a straight in, and then there's an offshoot to the interstate. So you're literally 15 minutes into Bangor. These are nice because they're all end units. They've got garages in the middle, garages on the end. So you literally have a garage, unit, garage. So you literally have the privacy of an end unit on every unit out here. There's 4 of them here, and there's 4 there, and that's it. This one was just completed. This is unit 1. The owner really put some thought into these, which is nice. They do have these little cement front porches, and they've got keypad deadbolts as well. The neat thing with this is that they really put some thought into the design. So you come in, it's got a big living room, ceiling fans. They've also got super unusual for our area, all high-end finishes, granite countertop, stainless appliances, but it also has heat pumps, so you have central air conditioning. That's almost unheard of in our market. This is a composite floor, it's waterproof. There's no carpet anywhere. It's just really kind of neat. This has got a front bedroom here, and usually within our market when you have a 2-bedroom, one of the bedrooms is tiny, but this could take a king-size bed. The master is even bigger, so it's really neat that way. Makes a great 2nd bedroom or an office. Does have a closet there. Kitchen is super high-end. Again, they did a neat job. Have a bar top into the dining area. Has open concept, so you can see through the whole place. Nice cabinets. Most of the time with these condo style, they have just a basic kitchen. They did even granite countertops on the side over there. It's got self-closing cabinets, which are another upgrade. They did coat closet on this side. Of course, bottom freezer on the fridge as well. And then like a pantry style for this one. Dining area for a full-size table if somebody wants, or somebody could use it for an office area. This has got overhang plus an outlet. So if you've got blenders or that kind of thing, you can plug it in if you want it there. It's got the deep bowl sinks, sprayer in the faucet. Has a really nice backyard with these. They did, again, cement patios, which are unusual in our area, but are super nice for spring and fall. Can sometimes be muddy, so to have something to set your patio set on. You can put a grill as well, just can't put it up against the building. They are planning on having dividers between the units, and they are planning on paving the parking lot too. Those both will hopefully get done this fall. If they don't, they'll get done in the spring. The owner does own that field right behind too, and the owner did say that if the tenants that are here want to have a garden spot, they will actually rototill, so you could have some garden area. Of course, it's all going to be grassed in. The owner takes care of doing the lawn care and the snow removal. So those are included. And then you've got the master here in the back, and again, it's just huge. So you've got a master bedroom which has its own bathroom. Of course, there's a full guest bath too. So from this angle, again, whole sort of master. Again, has a fan here in the master bedroom. And then they did double bowl sinks. Again, solid granite countertops there too. And in here, it's kind of like the extra wide shower. Most of the time you kind of see the small showers. These are the extra wide. Has a spot to put stuff there, and then toilet behind the door. They did think about things like these are solid corridors, not the cheap hollow ones. And then you've got a walk-in closet here, which has got built in there. This has got the pocket door, which is super neat. So you can close off the closet if you want. It does have another thermostat here as well. Do get to control heat. It's got radiant heat. I will mention that's the other thing that might be kind of neat for some people. So the neat thing in our area, we have really cold weather in wintertime, And the heat for this unit is radiant, so the floors are warm, so it feels like you're a lot warmer, which is neat. And you do have a door from the master into the laundry room, which is separate. You have a washer dryer hookup side by side. They added the shelf above, which is neat. And then it does, kind of in a circle if you need to, connect to the other bathroom as well. And it's still walled here. You've got, again, another pocket door, so you can close this off if you want. And then it's got the full bath here. So it's got tub and shower combo. Still did solid granite on the countertops. It matches. It's just really nice. Be harder pressed to find a nicer unit in this Bangor market than these, especially being all on one level. So this, again, this is a thermostat for the main area, and then the master has its own thermostat, and this is the heat pump control. And then this directly connects to the garage, which the garage does have an auto door opener. Let's see if we can get the focus there. There we go. So you do have an auto door opener, and you can pull a car right in. And then they did add a shelf here, so you could have a few things for storage area, etc. So that completes Unit 2198 Western. If you would be interested, let us know. We will have only, excuse me, one unit of these is left currently, and then we'll have the other 4 next spring. Could be available as well. Thank you.